Welcome to the online class. Welcome to the online class. We are so glad to see you. We are so glad to see you. Sit down, take your seats. Sit down, take your seats. Ha 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 ha. Hey Annie, what are you doing? I am happy and dancing. You also come and join me. Hey friends, join us and let's dance.
I like to moving. I like to moving.
It was really fun, Annie. Yes, John. Whenever I am happy, I sing and dance. That's great, Annie. Hey friends, what do you do when you are happy? Do tell us in the comment section. We are happy when we are together. So let's welcome this new day with a prayer. So join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.